We just finished our plant sale in here, so we're a little low on crops right now. This is where we have the raised beds, so kids can actually, they get to make some choices on what they want to grow, what it is that they like to eat, or if they just want to do like cut flowers, stuff like that. We do a lot of just unusual things. I let them make their choices. I let them make mistakes because you don't learn how to grow a plant by doing it perfectly every time.
Today we are on site at Aerospace and Natural Science Academy of Toledo. EcoGreen is a program of National Wildlife Federation that follows the Eco Schools framework. National Wildlife Federation has partnered with 20 schools to support them in their STEAM education projects with resources and grants to fund their work on campus with their students.
So I started a research project working with weekly electric fish and their electrical frequency they put out. I wanted to see if that frequency could be used to trigger a relay and then turn on a light or be used in a power system. So he's right there right now, yeah. And then moving out here, these are all of our student research projects we got done this year. We have stuff from all the way from testing fish, testing waterways for their water quality levels, stuff from our marine tank and seeing how we can help ammonia levels, my electric fish project, like anything that we can do with science in the natural world we can do here. And this is one of our best ways of showing the world how we do it.
Eco Schools has allowed us to be a lot more student guided. Every student gets an action card. Their action card is their playbook. And then they take everything that we learn in the classroom and they get to apply it to somebody else's needs. And not only are they more motivated because they don't want to fail anybody, but they also are proud of their work because they've done something for a larger community of people.
So this project is our native fish that we've been taking care of. We're going to put them into Scott Park Pond. In March, we took field trips to the pond, done water tests. We figured out that the pond isn't actually deep enough. But in the future, we'll definitely dig out the pond way deeper and get all the fish in there for way more opportunities. Here we have Mr. O's lab. This is where all the fun happens. Here we have the River of Life. It has many aquatic plants. This whole system is all connected. So whole River of Life, the bottom of the river, and the tanks, they're all connected to each other. So they all use the same water. If those three get bad, the plants just like boost it back up.
We're about to go out to the greenhouse now, which holds a lot of our animals, a lot of our plants. This is where we grew all of our plants for our plant sale we had a few days ago. And then right here is our iguana Felipe. Ever since my sophomore and freshman year here, I've been playing with him and doing stuff like this. This is one of the best parts about the school though, is getting to handle the animals, do all of this cool stuff with them, and at one point they'll actually like know who you are. That's why I like it a lot. Doing hands-on work is one of the best ways I learn, and here is like the best place I've ever had to do that.
I had my teacher, Miss Kubiak. I really wanted to get the marine tank, and she was kind of like going down a list of like who's gonna take care of what, and I ended up getting the marine tank, and I was just really happy with it. I really like them. I enjoy being able to take care of them and make sure they're healthy and learn all the different species. There's just a lot of cool like features involved with it. A lot of like small life that you can't really see unless you look up close.
This ditch that you can kind of see up here, it used to run straight through. So from that bridge, it would just go straight, and you can see kind of where it curves. They cut all of that out with construction. We as a school decided, you know what, we need to make a new riparian buffer. Any of our nutrients and runoff that comes from the school that goes into the waterway, it'll take a lot of that nutrients and pollution away. It's an active place. Deer come here and eat the willow trees we planted. It's a really nice place, and I'm glad we were able to actually get this creek back up and running.
So this year we're really focused on STEAM education, which is super important because it really helps students be able to connect their learning to potential future career paths.
If I'm just like, oh, I know how to do that, but I've never actually done it, no, I don't know how to actually do it. So I want to have that actual experience and confidence when I'm going into a job. So environmental science for undergrad, and when I finally go to grad school, it'll probably be something with wildlife rehab.
As a teacher giving so much freedom to their students and knowing that sometimes teenagers may or may not always choose the best course of action, I find that these kids always make me proud. They will show you what their value is. They will show you how great they can be if just given the opportunity.